Taxation and income for government. To meet their expenses, government need revenue, which it raises through taxation, the primary source of its income. An inefficient collection of taxes leads to declining revenue, impacting the national economic growth. Problems of the government in the current scenario. Still, our government is far behind an organized tax structure. So, what are the challenges in achieving it? Lack of control over the income and expenditures of the citizens. Individuals have multiple sources of incomes. Tax evasion. People evade tax through illegal means and claim lesser profit than the actual. High rate of taxation. Failure to curb bribery and black money. Lack of organized and systematic administrative structure. No enforcement of laws on transaction limits. Problems of the government in the current scenario. Also, people have multiple ID cards that lack uniqueness. These IDs can be easily faked as there is no foolproof way to verify their authenticity without following an arduous process. Finally, these are not universal. So, how to uniquely identify citizens and enable them to access services and other benefits? A long-standing problem for the nation. Solution: right technology can improve digital processes to help the modern taxpayer and make tangible savings across the nation's revenue collection process. Creating a sustainable tax system that can collect tax in an easy, efficient, and cost-effective manner is our goal. Solution: UID. Here is a solution in place. Or in other words, a grand vision. The idea of a renewed nation. A solution that can save millions if governments adopted better identity and access management solutions. Every citizen should have unique identification across all the departments accessed by him. What is UID Management System? Unique ID Management System is the next-generation online identity. UID aims to provide a unique identification number to all citizens across a vast and diverse geography. UID is the largest, most cost-effective, foolproof ID solution. UID Management System benefits and biometrics. With the help of the UID management platform, leakages can be plugged. It captures biometrics, fingerprints, and iris scans. Biometrics would prevent multiple enrollments by the same individual while providing nearly foolproof identity authentication. This UID will be mandated for bank transactions, sale purchase of all kinds of property, business license, loans, etc., and capture expenditures above threshold limits. UID, how it works. The government will establish centers where citizens can register their biometrics impression, enabling government to capture his details from personal to business. An unique 12-digit number will be issued. UID will also capture the previously owned assets. This will be the initial revenue collection. Now, Abdul can authenticate his identity either through his fingerprint or iris while shopping. The transaction is transparent, cutting out any scope for foul play. Azar can pay bills and pay taxes after entering the site. Government officials can verify details from the database for issuing vehicle license, passport, visa, etc. Public department systems need to upload their transaction details to this system, which will be tracked by UID. Consolidated MIS will be defined on the basis of this UID, enabling government to track an individual's earning and expenditure. UID, benefits for the government. With UID management system, the government can generate UID with biometrics, track incomes, and collect tax. Establish family hierarchy and track any internal transactions within the family hierarchy. Link UID with a person's contacts, bank accounts, income, taxation, and track any transactions. Track illegal immigration. Tracking of illegal occupations. Government can now generate sufficient revenue and eliminate foreign aid. UID plays a major role in generating a sustained increase in the economic growth, social capital, and political development in a country. Conclusion: our ambition is to minimize corruption rate and pave way for digitalization and global trading. We are on our way to meet our grand ambition. 2018 could mark the beginning of a new era for financial inclusion in our nation through a single, secure, personalized portal. With UID, enhance the revenue collection process as the digital landscape evolves. Be a cutting-edge digital government and deliver speedy, simple, and secure government services to your citizens.